In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Revolut Business to Google Sheets automatically. By the end, you'll have your Revolut Business data flowing into a spreadsheet, ready to analyze and share without manual exports. We'll start by getting your Revolut Business API key. Sign into your Revolut Business account and head to the developer or API area in your settings. Create a new key with read access to the data you want, like transactions or balances. Copy it and keep it secure. If there's an option to restrict scope or set an expiry, use it for safety. Avoid sharing this key and don't paste it directly into a public document. Next, open Google Sheets and create a fresh spreadsheet. Give it a clear name so it's easy to find later. Set up a header row for the data you expect, such as date, description, amount, currency, and balance. Freezing the header row and setting the correct spreadsheet time zone in file. Then settings can help keep your reports consistent. This small prep step makes your import cleaner and your charts more useful. Now paste the code that will fetch data. In Google Sheets, go to Extensions, then Apps Script. A new tab opens with a script editor. Replace the default code with the snippet provided with this tutorial. Before saving, look for the configuration section inside the script. Update the sheet name to match your tab, confirm the API endpoint you plan to call, and make sure the columns line up with your header row. For security, store your API key in script properties rather than hard coding it. In the script editor, open project settings or the properties menu, add a new script property for your key and reference it in the code. That way the key stays hidden from the sheet. Finally, run it. Click Run in the script editor. The first time Google will ask for authorization. Review the prompts and continue. If the script succeeds, switch back to your sheet and you should see rows populate with your latest Revolut data. If you get an error, open View, then Logs in the editor to see what happened. Common fixes include checking the sheet name, verifying the property that stores your key, confirming the API URL, and ensuring your headers match the data structure. Once it's working, you can format the columns, add filters, and create charts. To keep it automatic, set a time-driven trigger from the editor so the script runs on a schedule, like every hour, while staying within Revolut and Google quotas. That's it. Your Revolut business data now up